Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the JavaScript errors on your Windows. So I'm going to share to you different methods and ways. So you just need to follow the method or solution that will best work for you. So let's go quick into it. First is we need to open the web browser. So in the Windows search bar, type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. Now, in your Chrome browser, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and you will find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select About Chrome. So we need to make sure first that our web browser is updated. So once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update your Chrome browser. And then we also need to clear the browser cookies and cache because corrupted cookies and cache can also be the cause. So click on Privacy and Security on the left pane. Click on Delete Browsing Data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Now you have two options on how you can delete the browsing data. It could be basic or advanced. Go to advanced. Time range, you have to change that to all time. Browsing history checked, download history checked, cookies and other site data checked, cached images and files checked, site settings checked, hosted app data checked, but do not check the password in the autofill form data because that will just clear your saved passwords in the Chrome browser. And finally, click on delete data. We also need to disable some extensions, so click on extensions on the left pane. Now in my case, I have just removed all the extensions. So in your case, you have to disable the extension that you are not using or this faulty extensions, or you can completely remove that extension, especially if it is unnecessary for you. Then go back to the settings window, click on privacy and security. Then here you have to select security, scroll down and you'll find advanced. Click on manage V8 security, turn on additional protection in Chrome's JavaScript and WebAssembly engine. Now make sure that you choose sites can use the V8 optimizer. Chrome's runs faster and features that use JavaScript should work as designed. So you need to make sure this is enabled for the JavaScript to be enabled. Close out of here. For the next method is we can turn off the firewall protection and the real-time protection. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type security. Now you'll find Windows security under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Then you have to select virus and threat protection. You'll find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings and turn off the real-time protection. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on domain network and turn off the Microsoft Defender firewall from here. And once done, close this window. And then why do we need to turn off the firewall protection? Because that can block the JavaScript. For the next method is we need to update our Windows to the latest version or to download and install the latest updates. Click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Windows Update and click this button right here to check for all the updates or your Windows, and once updated, then good. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.